And the view's good too. Mount Fuji-san. Sixth station. This does not do it justice of how steep this is. These clouds just rolling up the mountain. Pretty. All right. Doing it. Pretty cloudy though.
Welcome to the woods.
So this is our hut. This looks good. We're trying to do the math on what time to leave for the sunrise tomorrow.
Thinking 12:30 a.m.
They told us midnight, and the sunrise is at 4:30.
But we're Speedy Gonzales. It's 1 in the morning.
That fun? How do I got your glass? There. There it is. As you can tell, it's a little windy up here. You got snot running out your nose onto your phone. You did it. I did. 10 out of 10. Would probably not do it again.
100%.
busy. Side of the volcano. Yeah. They should make a water slide going all the way down. Yeah. Our lunch spot. Not too bad. Took us 2.5 hours to get to the top. It would have been faster if we didn't run into the traffic jam, as you guys saw. They said it took 3 hours, but we probably could have done it in an hour and a half. I don't know. Going down took us about an hour and 15.
I think if we wanted a traffic jam, minimal, we could shave off 30 minutes.
Yeah, an hour 15 maybe. Alright, this is stupid. It's like straight down.
Watch me do my dune dance. You're right, I'm in the video.
I'm filming.
Watch me do my dune dance. The worm's about to come.
It's amazing what they can do with CGI these days. Alright, we made the cut. Puppy. Savannah knocked over the man's Japanese sign. Nice. Made it back to the shrine. It's beginning. Shoot, you know what? I accidentally booked 2 days at the temple, at the 7th station. Gore is not till tomorrow.
Well, I'm doing a gore.
I guess we're gonna have to go back up.
You can sleep there and the gore all figure out. Okay, there is one bus. 2 of us. And
This is the last time I'm coming to Gotemba.
okay, listen here. If we would have slept in 30 more minutes, we would have missed this bus probably.
Yes, but we waited here for an hour. If we would have done the rim
If we
and
would
then
have
walked
ran,
down, we would have missed this. We're the only ones on it. Rise and shine, son. We've been up since 1 in the morning. Now we're at the Ritz.
Here's my butterfly tea drink.
Butterfly tea drink. Just need to find your room. Our beautiful room. We get our own beds too. Our own little bath, a little table. This is nice. She's impressed. Beer. Wagyu beef. And veggies. Back at the hot pots. This time, significantly less soggy. Happy. Started on Fuji, ending.
At Hotel Lights show. I think Japan, baby. I love you.